Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about hybrid types. Interfaces can be of type hybrid. It means that interfaces can be a combination of properties, function declarations, and even methods. This flexibility is allowed to get aligned with JavaScript dynamic nature. Let's look at an example of this counter interface. We have an interface counter here that has a function declaration type, a property type, and a reset and a method type. The reset here is a method. Interface interval is a property of type number, and this is a function declaration. So I'll quickly create a function, and now create a variable counter to assign a function that is the starter. That's this that a function that should have an argument starter of type number, and it returns a type number. This start and this starter need not to be same. The only thing is that the type should the type it, types should match. Let's create a narrow function. Should return a number. Instead of returning just a number, let's add the argument to it. I need to say this is of type counter. This is a type assertion. What we're creating is a type assertion. We're saying that this counter is of type this. So you can see that it has this property reset interval. So let me click interval and assign a value of 13. We can also define the method. Let's say this function doesn't take anything as an input, but returns a string. So I'll write reset. Then we can finally return a counter. I can also rewrite this function with object.assign. Say let counter equal to object.assign object.assign. Here we can write this function and specify the other types here. We have interval, interval type with value of 10. The same, let's give a value of 12 here. Let me copy this method, reset, and return the counter. Let output equal to get counter of get counter. Let's now log. Let's call this method with a value of 12. 12 plus 12 should be 24. If I comment this method and uncomment this method and run, you should still see 24 because these two methods are same. The second one is with object.assign. We can also call console.log output dot output dot interval. Let's also log output reset method. I'll again uncomment this and uncomment this. I cannot add intervals and I cannot assign a string value to the interval. This is all about hybrid types. Thank you for watching this tutorial.